So, hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, always have full faith in God and full belief in it. Because whatever you achieve, you will always achieve through the eternal energy of God. So, hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, I am Kumar K. You can check my LinkedIn profile here, okay? I will give a brief introduction about myself and then we will conduct this session. So, guys, I graduated from Tier 4 college during COVID, and because it was COVID time and I was from Tier 4 college, there was no placement in my college. Also, for the 4 years, I got no proper guidance, no proper roadmap, no one to help, okay? And at that time, there was not much help on YouTube and LinkedIn as well. So I was struggling a lot after graduation. Okay, during my graduation year, I struggled for 8 months off campus to get some job. I never got, I applied to thousands and thousands of places. I tried for so many referrals, etc. etc. But because I did not know the correct methodologies and correct strategies, it took me 8+ months to get a off campus job. Okay. So after the 8+ months struggle off campus, I got off campus SD offer from FangAm, which is Amazon and Media.net. Okay. So I was on cloud 9 when this happened because I was not expecting. I was just expecting to get some job like Infosys, TCS, etc. But God gave me the best because I worked the hardest in those 8 months. Okay. Apart from that, I am really in love, and I'm in love with DS. I'm very very passionate about this. I have All India rank 12 and World rank 313 in Google CodeGem 2021, which is the toughest DSA competition in the whole world. Also, I have World rank 368 in Google Kickstart. World rank 368 in Google Kickstart. Also, in the recent year 2024, I got All India rank 4 and World rank 48 in the Meta, Facebook, whatever you want to call it, Hacker Cup 2024. And apart from that, 558 students of mine have cracked 20 plus LP off campus SD offers in the last 2 to 3 years. Okay. Because I give them one-to-one personalized mentoring and daily life training, and many more features you can check in the link here. Okay. So guys, why was I giving brief introduction about myself? So you know that the person who is going to guide you about online assessments, CP and DSA has really worked hard in the past. He was not from a good college, nor did he have any good coding skills or good mathematical background. If a person like me can achieve it, then you can definitely achieve it. Okay. So now let's go below. Roadmap, guys. You guys want to get into FangAm type companies, top product based companies, top product based startup, USA remote startups, right? All of them generally have an online assessment round. In online assessment round, there are hard unseen DSA questions and students fail to crack them. The question level of online assessment is much higher than the interview of that company. Okay. So how to deal with the online assessment DSA questions of top tech companies? I am going to give the best roadmap to follow for 2025. I have gone through 1000 to 2000 online assessment problems of different companies since last 3-4 years. So I have a very big data set and I have analyzed it, okay, as much as I could with the machine learning algorithms with which I have and my own human analysis. And now I come forward with the best roadmap possible. So guys, the point number 0, we are not starting with point number 1, we'll start with point number 0. Why? Because we are programmers, we start with indexing 0, right? So jokes apart, the 0th point of the roadmap is that doing popular DSA sheets of Lovebubber, Striver, etc. is not sufficient. I keep on looking at students again and again doing popular DSA sheets, getting very happy, and then they give the online assessments in their college or off campus and they miserably fail there. Why do they miserably fail? Because when you only do standard DSA sheets, what happens is that they make you do basic standard DSA problems of easy level, which are classical in nature, which is not at all enough to tackle online assessment of FANG plus top product based companies. As OA asks hard and new unseen DSA questions, always remember the online assessments will take place on HackerEarth, HackerRank, Unstop, platforms like that, Code Signal, etc. They will always ask you story based DSA questions and hard unseen DSA questions. They will not be the questions which you have already seen in the popular DSA sheets. So memorizing the top standard easy DSA questions and their patterns is not enough. It's like preparing for 12th board maths exam and hoping to crack JEE mains and JEE advanced with the same level of preparation. Why is cracking 12th boards maths so easy? You know that you are going to do popular patterns and standard questions at the back of the textbook, and same questions or very similar questions will come in the exam. You can easily crack it. But does that happen in JEE main and JEE advanced mathematics? No. In JEE main and JEE advanced mathematics, they're going to ask you new questions which you have not seen before. So you need higher order level thinking skills and high level problem solving analytical skills for that. So what are the skills required to crack the online assessment of top 10 companies? English comprehension. Guys, OA always involve very large story-based comprehension, which you should be able to summarize in 2 to 3 lines upon reading. Okay. So what happens generally is that students look at the big story, like the OA question will generally have 4 or 5 large paragraphs. When you see those paragraphs, you will go in stress. So the thing is that you should be having that habit of reading large English comprehension. You should have the good English comprehension skills that you can summarize the paragraphs in 2-3 lines upon reading. Once you have summarized the big paragraph given to you in 2 to 3 lines, after you understand the question, you will have to solve the hard unseen DSA question. But even after, let's say you don't have fear, you are able to summarize the question. Now you have summarized the question in 2 to 3 lines, but you still have to solve the hard unseen DSA question. How will you solve that? People do standard popular DSA sheets, Love Bubber Striver, or daily challenge problems on LeetCode GFG. All of them is very good to, make your basics strong. If you are not memorizing, if you are understanding them actually, but that's not enough for unseen DSA questions. For unseen DSA questions, you need to develop the skill to solve DSA questions which are new, which have a unique pattern to them. You need to develop your problem solving skills and have no fear of solving new questions. This is the roadmap to solve OA problems and get into top tech companies. Now guys, there are 2 types of roadmap. Advanced roadmap I will discuss in some other video. For this video, let's assume that beginners are also watching it of DSA coding, and intermediate and advanced all they are watching. So I will tell you the most basic roadmap. This roadmap is guaranteed to give you 80% success. It will not give you 100% success. 80% success is guaranteed. 80% success is guaranteed, guys. Okay. So you can check this link out. Okay. First, you should make sure your fundamentals of programming and DSA are strong. Then only follow the roadmap given above. Okay. Detailed syllabus, if you want to know that you should cover, I have given here. This is also the syllabus of our 850-hour course and 8-month daily life training program. Okay. Whatever I have given here, you can study it on your own also. So try to do these things. Okay. It will really help you a lot. See, the person who was a waiter, even he cracked 40 LPSD to offer at Europe-based MNC BCGX. So if he can do it, why can't you guys? So always be supercharged and motivated. I have full faith in you. You can do it. Okay. So now I give you a minute so that you can analyze it as deeply as possible. So take a minute, guys, and try to go through these things before we proceed ahead. Okay. The basic roadmap, try to go through it. I am giving you a minute in this particular video. Okay. Ram. So now, guys, it's very important that you please do the warm-up premium DSA course of Kumar K. My actual DSA course is of 850 hours, but if you do even this course, it will make you very strong for fundamentals of DSA and online assessments. Please try doing it. Please, you will fall in love with DSA if you do my premium DSA course. Try it one time. Now, so now we go below. 50 plus DP videos, guys. Like in our course, there are 200-hour content of dynamic programming for DSA OACP. But 50 videos of DSA OACP are available on my YouTube channel also for dynamic programming, and they are the best in the country. Trust me when I say that. So please try to check that out as well. Now guys, let's go towards the basic roadmap which we should follow. The best roadmap is this one, guys. See, first of all, there are many possible problems in hashing, prefix, suffix. Now when I'm using these words, there are many variations, many different patterns of problems, hard unseen OA problems and CP problems you should do on hashing, prefix concept, suffix concept. Very hard variations you should do. They are available in our course and training, but you can always search many companies online assessments on Desi Q&A, LeetCode Discuss, and try to do as many problems as possible of hashing, prefix, suffix, and contest problems of hashing, prefix, suffix from LeetCode contest, CodeChef contest, CodeForces contest. Once you are done with 100 to 500 problems of hashing, prefix, suffix concept, super hard level, then guys, binary search. Binary search is a very big topic. I consider ternary search also in this, and in this binary search, the most important is binary search on answer hard unseen problems. Do many OA and CP problems on that topic. Then guys, greedy. See, if you do standard DSA sheets, very surface level greedy things are covered, but the actual essence of greedy algorithm most people don't know. How to use mathematics, exchange, argument, lemma, when to sort, how to sort, on what basis. All those things you need to study. You need to do many hard unseen DSA problems on greedy algorithms, exchange, argument, lemma, mathematically sorting. Then guys, sliding window 2 pointers. Many people take this topic very lightly. No. You should understand the deep essence of sliding window and 2 pointers. Why something is moving like that only? Why that pointer is moving like that only? What is the standard template? How can this template be applicable to 100 other problems? Once you have done many hard DSA, OA, CP problems on sliding window 2 pointers, now guys, you have to do the curated problems which are involving the mixture of all these 4 topics. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. These 4 topics can be mixed in many different OA, CP questions. So you need to do them to become even stronger in your OA cracking journey. Guys, once you have achieved mastery in it, or you are in the middle of achieving mastery in it, on parallel you can start dynamic programming. Guys, dynamic programming, trust me, I have taught in the best way possible. Just try to check the DP videos of my premium DSA course and then 50 plus DP video here. I can guarantee after that you will say that, sir, I love your video. Okay, so the thing is that always be very happy, very calm, and success will come. Guys, in dynamic programming, there are many patterns like mixed dynamic programming, mixed DP patterns, sub-array DP patterns, knapsack DP patterns, multidimensional DP patterns, digit dynamic programming, bit masking DP, SOS DP, like all the DP patterns, and in the patterns, the different variations you need to cover. In our 800-hour course, 150-hour content is on dynamic programming only for DSA service. So make sure you cover it if you are my course student. If you are not my course student, no problem. You can do the DP course from here. Okay, it is 20% of the original course material we have, which is more than enough to give a very strong kickstart, guys. Now, once this is done, guys, DP on trees. Now, slowly, the questions on DP on trees are increasing in the contests OA and CP. So please do DP on trees and DP on graphs. Once this section is done, now guys, you can go towards the section of maths, PNC, combinatorics, counting problems, LCM, GCD, prime factorization, deep knowledge of divisors, factorization, modulo, deep knowledge of sieve and the manipulation of sieve in prime sieve algorithm for different problems. Then bit manipulation, in CodeChef contest, CodeForces contest, OA problems, at coder problems, many times they ask you very hard unseen questions of XOR, OR and AND. You need to master all these mathematical concepts. Don't run away from mathematics. You need to make mathematics your love. And this is just the basic roadmap for cracking online assessments. It will make sure you pass 80% of the online assessments. For advanced roadmap, we will make the video sometime later. It will have some more topics in much more depth and how to solve, what to solve. Okay. Once this is done, guys, general trees. General trees is a very big topic. Flattening of tree, Euler-Tour on tree, different version of DFS on tree, centroid decomposition, HLD, etc. So guys, general trees, please do it. graphs, DSU, so many in-depth topics are there in graphs and so many variations and patterns are there. Guys, you need to go ahead from the standard DSA sheets. Standard DSA sheets will only have that 5-6 popular algorithms and problems on them. They are not enough. You need to go very in-depth into the graphs. You can check those things in the curriculum section of this particular website. It will really help you. Now, constructive algorithm problems. Many times the problem just involves some pattern and logic and constructive algorithm which you need to come up with. This is really difficult. You need to practice as many problems as possible and then mixture of all the above concepts of problems you have to solve. Okay. Once you do it, guys, victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. Now, guys, apart from that, the nice thing is, I wanted to show you one nice thing, is that on our YouTube channel, every 2 to 3 days I upload some competitive programming contest problem video solution or recent company OA solution like Amazon OA solution here, Google Hackathon OA solution here. If you watch all the 100 to 200 videos here and you complete all my playlists and you can see students love our course and training so much, right? See, attending the last lecture of greedy algorithm will start recursion evening, sir. Sliding window was really fab. Maza aa gaya. So the thing is that if you do everything given on my YouTube channel and the content which I've given here, you will be ready to crack the honor assessments at least till a 50% level. So try doing that. Please try doing that and become as strong as possible, guys. You can become strong. If I did it, who is stopping you? So in the name of God, Ram Ram, I leave
de la vie, sentier de gloire, sentier de gloire, nos enfants